Hello again, this is CatcherP, where stories meet truth and the truth make you stronger. So today I want us to talk about something very important, something that very many people, including me, get confused. That is the difference between motivation and discipline. Most of us live waiting for motivation, waiting for that fire inside, that energy, that push to make us move. But here is the truth. Motivation is not enough. If you only rely on motivation, you will never build the life you dream of. What you truly need is discipline. Imagine two students preparing for their exams. Student A feels super motivated on the first day. They buy new pens, new books, they even create a colorful timetable. They say, this time I'll get an A, but after 2 weeks, the motivation is gone. They start skipping studies, spending time on their phone, and watching movies. Student B is different. They don't always feel motivated. In fact, some days they feel lazy. But they are disciplined. Every evening, they sit down for 2 hours to study, whether they feel like it or not. When exam days come, who wins? The motivated student who started strong, or the disciplined student who stayed consistent? The answer is clear. Discipline beats motivation. Motivation is an emotion. It's like a spark. It burns bright, but it fades quickly. Some days you feel it, some days you don't. You cannot trust motivation because it is controlled by your feelings. And remember, feelings change. Discipline is a habit. It is a choice you make every single day, no matter how you feel. Discipline says, I will do it because I made a promise to myself. Think about fitness. How many people join the gym in January full of motivation? The gym is always full at the beginning of the year. But by March, most people have disappeared. Why? Because motivation died. But the few people who remain, the one who see in the gym in July, in October, in December, those are disciplined people. They show up even when it rains, even when they are tired, even when nobody claps for them. That is why they transform their bodies while others quit. Life is the same. Many people start businesses with motivation. They are excited, posting on social media, telling everyone they will succeed. But when the challenges come, when the money is not flowing, when the customers don't come, motivation disappears. The only people who build real businesses are those who have discipline. And the discipline is the one which makes people to wake up every day, work, plan, sacrifice, and keep going no matter what. Listen to me carefully. If you wait for motivation to do what is important in life, you will wait forever. Motivation is like the wind. Sometimes it blows, sometimes it does not. But discipline is like walking. You don't wait for the wind to push you. You use your own legs and keep moving forward. Motivation says, I'll do it when I feel like it. Motivation is loud. Discipline is quiet. Motivation can make you dream. Discipline will make you achieve. Ask yourself today, how many times have you started something but never finished? How many times have you set goals in January but gave up by March? How many times have you told yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, and tomorrow never comes? That is because you were relying on motivation. But if you build discipline, you'll not stop. You will move even when your heart does not feel like it. Remember this: motivation inspires you, but discipline transforms you. Motivation can open the door, but discipline keeps you inside. Motivation is what people see, but discipline is what you do in secret. Greatness is never built on feelings. Greatness is built on discipline. Discipline says, I'll do it because I said I would. Motivation is about excitement. Discipline is about commitment. There is a reason why soldiers and successful people talk more about discipline than motivation. Because they know that when the feelings disappear, it is discipline that carries them forward. So if you want to change your life, stop waiting for motivation. Start building discipline. Wake up early, even if you are tired. Study, even if you are bored. Exercise, even when you don't feel like it. Work on your dream, even when nobody claps for you. Because at the end of the day, motivation may give you a good start, but only discipline will give you a good finish. This is CatcherP. If this message touched your heart, don't just watch. Take action. Build discipline in your life. And if you felt this truth, make sure to like, share, and comment below. Tell me, are you living by motivation or are you building discipline? And remember, motivation may wake you up, but discipline will keep you alive in the journey.